Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got an unboxing for you today, and it's a familiar device, but perhaps an unfamiliar color, especially if you live in certain regions, like in North America. It's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in red. So, of course, this was a color that was made available at launch in many regions, especially overseas. But just now, in time for the holiday season, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody, by the way, if you celebrate that. Just in time for the holidays, Samsung is releasing both, it seems, the Aura Pink and the Aura Red variants of this device. Now, I went over to Samsung.com to see if I could purchase the device from there, and it does give you the option for just the Note 10, not the Note 10 Plus. But when you click on it, the Buy It Now button switches to a Where to Buy button. That goes for whether you're trying to buy it unlocked, or in my case, I was looking also at the T-Mobile version. So I couldn't get it through the website. Now, as of this video, it's November 26th, afternoon time, Eastern Standard Time. As of this video, that is still the case on the Samsung website. So I also reached out to T-Mobile and let them know that Samsung.com is suggesting, based on their order pages, that they will have a red version of this Note 10 available for T-Mobile. T-Mobile said that they do not have any information at this time about offering a red version. They also said it's possible that only Samsung would be selling that if there is a T-Mobile version. So I don't know. It would certainly appear as though there is a red version of this device coming to US carriers, maybe just T-Mobile, I don't know, but there certainly should also be an unlocked version. And I just saw scrolling along Twitter that Max Weinbach had tweeted a photo, I think he got it from somebody else as well, of a red Samsung Galaxy S10e that is being offered at Verizon. Somebody was in the store purchasing it, so I guess some red versions of these phones are coming out. I didn't even know there was a red version of the S10e. But yeah, so I ended up getting this one via Swappa. It is the unlocked variant that should work with, I think, all carriers in the US. Don't quote me on that. I double checked the LTE bands for T-Mobile and all that, and it should work. So without showing you the serial number and all that, it is the SM-N970U1 variant. So that one should, it's got every LTE band on T-Mobile anyway. Again, double check for your carrier. And even on the back it says voice, data, and messaging services are compatible with most US GSM and CDMA networks. Support for certain features and services vary by service provider. See your carrier for details. So this should be the unlocked version that will end up being offered on the Samsung website. Maybe it was for a bit and it's just sold out. I'm not sure. But again, red Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I wish Samsung would offer all the color options at launch. Really wish that. If you've followed my coverage before, I actually got the Aura Glow Note 10 at launch. I do not have that phone anymore, but so I've already done an unboxing and a couple of videos about the Aura Glow Note 10, including battery life, etc. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing. There's really nothing new to the phone in terms of software or anything like that. It is just a different color. So I know some people are into that. I know I am. Other people don't care too much about how a phone looks. But yeah, so let's get started here. So again, Note 10 season, you could say, has passed, but this is still the top Samsung flagship on offer. I do love the S10 as well. Some would argue that is, but this is the latest one anyway. So here we go. There it is, and right off the bat, you can see the red trim on this phone, that metallic red trim. Very, very nice. So let me get this out of here, put it off to the side, and show you what we got in the box. You've got the North American style power brick with the fast charging, and of course it's USB-C to USB-C with the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And I really like that they packaged black accessories with this and not white ones. I think red and black is a fantastic combination. And of course your USB-C cord there, and some AKG USB-C wired headphones. All right, so that's pretty much all you get in the box. I wonder, well, it is the unlocked version, so maybe there's a case. I know that sometimes the overseas versions and unlocked versions of this phone do come with a case. The North American carrier variants usually do not, and this one does not come with a clear plastic or rubber case. So I guess that makes sense, since this is the unlocked variant for North America. So it makes sense that and staying true to their pattern there is no case, but that's all right. I already have a case that I had from my Aura Glow Note 10, and I kind of like to rock phones without the case when possible as well. So you're all here to see this beauty. Very, very nice, and I definitely prefer this size to the Note 10 Plus. I know that's very subjective. What a gorgeous, gorgeous phone. I'll tell you what. Well, I am also going to remove this flimsy screen protector. I don't really like to use screen protectors. And I think Samsung's oleophobic coating is usually, tops in the business. So, all right, let's move this back panel, and you see that gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful aura red. And it's just, I can't describe, it's a very odd type of reflection. It's almost, I don't know how to describe it, but it's obviously shimmery. It's a glossy finish, and it is red. I guess as Flossie Carter says, it's that red. This is, it's not light red, it's not burgundy, it's not, I wouldn't even call it strawberry, not even a blood red, but it's very, very red. And of course, in certain lighting, it'll reflect a little lighter, and in others slightly darker. But it is very much red, unlike the, I think the last time Samsung had a red flagship, I think it was a burgundy color, but I could be mistaken there. So let me take off the plastic along the metal chassis. That can sometimes be a bit of a pain to remove, so bear with me here for a second. All right, got that. Move the one down here, because I don't know, if you're like me, you like to see exactly how the phone looks without any obstructions, including any plastics, plastic wrap or plastic stickers or anything like that. Let's see, along the sides, do not think there is any plastic to remove. Nope. All right, so again, here you are. Let me remove this. I don't want to use this screen protector. All right. What do you guys think? Absolutely beautiful, in my opinion. It's going to be a fingerprint magnet? I don't think so. I think it hides fingerprints pretty well. If you look closely, can you see them? Sure. But that Aura Glow was definitely a fingerprint magnet, especially compared to this. I had that for about a month. So here you go. Let's see. Let's check it out on the sides here. On the bottom, of course, no 3.5mm headphone jack, RIP. You do get the headphones bundled in, though, some USB headphones. S Pen right here, I'll take that out in a second. Volume rocker, the power / Bixby button, and completely flush on this side. No buttons on the top. Your SIM tray. Got a microphone up there as well. No micro SD support on the smaller version on this Note 10. Only on the Note 10 Plus. That's beautiful. All right, let's take this S Pen out. You can see that the S Pen is red as well. I think that's a wonderful little accent there. Wonderful touch. Of course, on the Aura Glow, the S Pen is blue, and on I think the rest of the Note 10 line, the S Pen matches the color of the phone. So on the black one it's black, on the white one it's white, etc. All right, so that's about it. I mean, we pretty much have said everything there is to say about the Note 10 by now. But Samsung, if you're listening, I love that there's a red option. I'd like for there to be a gold option as well. You guys haven't done that in a while with their flagships, but definitely have these colors available at launch. Would prefer that. I don't know if your research has shown that it's better business for you to release the colors later, then what can I tell you? Fine. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this. And are you going to be picking one up? And if you are picking one up, did you already have a Note 10? Are you getting rid of that one in favor of the red one? Or were you waiting for the red one before you pick up a Note 10? Let me know. And once again, happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching.